Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen jelly at home. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder, 1 cup of hot water, and 1 cup of cold water. Also, have your preferred fruit juice or flavorings ready, along with a whisk and a suitable mold or dish. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process for delicious results. Now, let's properly dissolve the gelatin. Begin by sprinkling 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder evenly over 1 cup of cold water in a bowl. Allow it to bloom for about 5 minutes. You'll notice it thickens. Then, pour 1 cup of hot water over the bloomed gelatin. Whisk continuously until all the gelatin granules are completely dissolved, creating a clear liquid. Next, it's time to add some delicious flavor. Stir in 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice or other flavorings into the dissolved gelatin mixture. If you like, you can also add natural sweeteners such as honey or maple syrup to taste. Once mixed, pour the liquid into your chosen mold or a shallow dish. Refrigerate for at least 3 hours or until it's completely firm. Finally, your homemade collagen jelly is ready to enjoy. Once it's firm, carefully remove the jelly from its mold. You can then cut it into fun shapes or simple cubes, whatever you prefer. Serve your chilled jelly as a refreshing and healthy snack. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, keeping it fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.